Hi everyone, welcome back to 4DDick. For Mac users, trash is a folder to hold deleted files. So when we want to recover deleted files, just go to trash and right-click the file and we can put back the deleted files. Normally before we empty trash, it will remind us that we cannot do this action to prevent users from deleting files accidentally. But what about if trash bin is emptied? Is there a way to recover emptied trash on Mac? The answer is yes. With Mac built-in backup tool, known as Time Machine, you can recover emptied trash without software. Once you enable Time Machine to backup automatically, it will backup your Mac hourly for the past 24 hours, daily for the past month. So just launch Time Machine. Go to where the desired file stored originally. Browse your backups. Select the requested files and click Restore to recover them to your hard drive. But we should notice that, to use Time Machine, an erase disk is required. This might be the reason some users do not enable Time Machine. Some users may choose iCloud as backup tool. If so, go to iCloud to check if you have a backup of your files. Just download your desired files, or go to Data Recovery to restore files. When these options fail, you need a data recovery service to get back lost files from emptied trash. Tenorshare 4DDick Mac Data Recovery is one of the best. Download and install it on your Mac. Select your hard drive or trash to scan. Filter file types to shorten scanning time. Lost files will be displayed here. Preview your lost files by original location of file type. Click Recover after select files, and choose a new location to restore. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us for more content.